You type a command, magic happens, but what really goes on under the hood? Each command follows a journey through the shell's inner workings before execution. Let's break it down. Echo today is $date, echo 2 plus 2 equals $2 plus 2. The shell replaces with today's date before executing the command. Arithmetic expansion does the math before displaying the result. Why it matters. Knowing these steps helps you debug scripts like a pro. Section quoting and escape characters. Ever type $home and got your home directory? That's because the shell expands variables unless you tell it not to. Section how to control expansion. Double quotes expands variables but treats spaces as literals. Echo my home is $home. Section single quotes. Single quotes, everything inside is treated literally. Echo my home is $home. Escape characters like the backslash protect single characters. For instance, you can use a backslash to escape the $ in a variable like this. Echo using backslash to escape $home. Why does this matter? Well, quoting prevents accidental misinterpretations in scripts and commands. It's a small step that can save a lot of headaches. Master these shortcuts and command line navigation will never slow you down. Here are some key combinations to remember. Ctrl and A jumps to the beginning of the line. Ctrl and E takes you to the end. Ctrl and K deletes from the cursor to the end of the line. Ctrl and U deletes from the cursor to the beginning. Alt and B moves back one word, while Alt and F moves forward one word. Why it matters. Stop wearing out your arrow keys. The shell has built-in commands that run directly while others rely on external programs. Check if a command is built-in or external. Type CD, type echo, type ls. Is built-in, it interacts directly with the shell. Is external, it's found in. Why it matters. Built-ins run faster and don't require external processes. Ever wondered how scripts handle arguments? Special parameters control input. $0 script name, $1, $2, and so on. Arguments passed to the script. Number of arguments. $, all arguments as a single string. At $, all arguments as individual strings. Prefer this for spaces. Hash exclamation / bin / bash. Echo, script name $0. Echo, first argument $1. Echo, number of arguments, number $. Echo, all arguments, $. Run it with bash script.shog1 arg2 arg3. Why it matters. Knowing how arguments work lets you write flexible, reusable scripts. Commands often support multiple options to modify behavior. Example, listing files with options ls, lh, long format, h, human readable sizes, show hidden files. Example, searching with it, the option allows for a case-insensitive search. Why it matters. Options make commands far more powerful and efficient. Internal shell commands, advanced tricks. Alright, let's dive into managing directories with push and pop. First, we use the command followed by the directory path like this. To revert back, simply use. And to display the list of directories in the stack, you can use. Now let's talk about job control, specifically running background tasks. You can start a background task with the command followed by an ampersand to list all background jobs. Use. If you want to bring a job to the foreground, use followed by the job number, like. To move it back to the background, use followed by the job number, like. Finally, let's explore shell state commands. To display shell variables, use the command, and to toggle shell options, you can use. These commands help you manage and customize your shell environment effectively. Why it matters. Mastering internal shell commands makes complex workflows effortless. More interactive exercises for the brave. Challenge. Test quoting rules with different variations. Task modify a script to handle multiple arguments using instead of discussion. Why does handle spaces better than in argument parsing? What's next? Now that you know how commands are processed, next up I/O redirection and pipes, taking shell magic to the next level. Mastering input-output manipulation and advanced piping techniques. I will be your guide, Antonio Klim. May the pseudo-powers be always with you.